In this video, we're going to talk about the last 6 weeks that we've spent in Oregon. You may be wondering why we've been in Oregon for 6 weeks, considering our last video, we said goodbye to the truck and trailer for only 2 weeks.
We'll see you soon. 2 weeks, you take care of each other.
If there is one truth that we have learned about this RV life, it is that plans change. You can't plan anything with RV life. Ever. It's actually kind of ironic with RV life that the more mobile and the more flexible you appear to be actually makes things that are unexpected that much more impactful. And unfortunately, we've really learned that lesson over the last year. Literally, the day before we were scheduled to leave Oregon to head back down to Phoenix, we found out that the tenant that I currently have in our house is leaving 2 months earlier than anticipated, the end of January. So we are needing to stay in Salem for an extra month and a half so that we can be there for the house when it becomes vacant to get it flipped for the next tenant without spending an arm and a leg paying somebody to do that for us. By the time we actually leave Salem, we will have been there for 2 months instead of the planned 2 weeks. We actually are in Phoenix right now. We came down to check on the truck and trailer, as well as Jason had some work meetings that he needed to go to, so it kind of worked out for us to get a little bit of a break from the rain while we wait for the house to become vacant. It's just not where we want to be right now. You know, we want to be here in the sunshine. We want to be chasing 70s, so we're really counting down the days before we get back to Arizona in the RV, and we're able to really soak up all of this desert sunshine. So long story short, we are in Salem for a bit longer than we expected. We only have a week before the house is going to be empty and we'll be able to get in and get working on it. In the meantime, I've compiled just some short little snips and videos of some of the time that we've spent while we've been here in Oregon for the holidays and afterwards. So please enjoy with us our time in Oregon. If you have not already, make sure you click the like button and please subscribe to our channel for more of the Roaming Russells.
Since we're hanging out in sunny Oregon instead of Phoenix, Tucson, sunny Arizona, we are going to replace the headlights and marker lights, turn signals for this 2002 Toyota Tundra.
Well, that's a bit of a difference, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay. We're completely headlightless. Look at that! Nice job, honey.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, you. icy?
So icy.
I told you. I told you not to.
Mom, be careful, please.
I am.
So we got a bit of an ice storm this evening. It was raining and it is below freezing when it was coming down. It was in the 20s when it was coming down. So as soon as everything hit its surfaces, it froze. And everything is magical and pretty and quite treacherous. Hi, honey. How did your trip to Nashville go?
It was quick. It was
Yeah.
quick. Yeah.
Our flight got canceled, so we got to the airport, and now we're heading back to Salem.